Hello everyone! I have a great product over here I would like to share it with you. It's Bedside table lamps and I received it for decoration purposes and this is my personal opinion. The set includes two lamps and they're very nicely designed, provided with absolutely beautiful and elegant appearance. It features 26 inches height. It also designed with very beautiful gold matte finish and a crystal ball in the middle and at the top. Besides that, it also features built-in two USB-A ports, so you can easily charge your devices for the maximum convenience. And it also features dimmable function. It has 3 levels of brightness, so it meets different needs. These table lamps are very nice. I love the quality and they look absolutely beautiful. Definitely a great addition to your home decor. Perfect for bedroom, living room, entryway, hallway, or anywhere else you'd find it useful for. I like this product very much and I would highly recommend it to you.